What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, Homes with Shields. We're out here in Chapel Hill, North Carolina this morning, and we just wrapped up this absolutely stunning, massive one-level ranch, okay? This one-level ranch is at 2,405 square feet. It does consist of an optional front porch. As you can see, this customer just did a 4x6 uncovered stoop, but you could make this as big, as small, 8x30. You're going to control all the dimensions and the styles of this front porch if you choose to add a front porch. Now, as far as the floor plan goes, I'm going to call this a custom Carolina Stanley, but I'm going to be honest with you, there's not a whole lot about the inside that's that similar to the Carolina Stanley, except for the dimensions of the house. So this is a 32 deep, 76 foot across, the same exact dimensions of our Carolina Stanley. They started with the Carolina Stanley and then it just morphed into basically a full custom plan. A few high notes on this exterior. You are seeing the vertical carbon siding today. So that is an upgraded color. Obviously you're seeing it in vertical too. But that is our dark black carbon siding. Along with that, you're seeing the black exterior trim package, soffits, fascias, trim boards, all that stuff is black. They finished that look with the black gutters and downspouts, but they did stay with white windows. So you could option in black windows. They are more expensive than white, and then this thing would just be completely blacked out. A few other things on this front porch, you are seeing a nice big side light there. So that is a included front door, but the side light aspect of it would be extra. You can do one on each side or whatever. So those are things to think about. So again, the carbon siding, the black exterior trim package, and then just remembering that this is a optional built on site porch. So you could do this a number of different ways as far as the exterior look with the porch. So let's get in here and check it out. All right, so when you open that front door, you are just greeted by this massive open space. So you got your living area, kitchen, dining area. And this is a humongous living room. So I'm gonna step back here just to try to get you an idea. And then you do have a coat closet off of that front door. So tons of space in this living room. And then that opens up to that dining area on your right, which has a sliding glass door, and that leads you to a great big uncovered deck back here. And that opens up to this awesome kitchen. All right, so a few things about this kitchen. Number one, I believe this is the first time you've seen the entire kitchen done with our new green cabinet. So this is a new color option that we have for our cabinets. Really cool green color there. Number two, you are seeing the Sidekick industrial style, humongous, big Whirlpool fridge there. Really cool stuff. Notice the quartz countertops. Got the beautiful gray gold veins running through that. Over here you've got your kind of appliance cabinet. So you've got your, I think this is a true double oven. You've seen a wall microwave and wall oven. This is just your double wall oven here. And then you've got your gas range actually in your island. So I don't show a lot of these as far as having sinks or the range in the island, but it is always an option. Here I'm just kind of showing you how big and inviting this space really is. All right, so another thing you might notice is a lot of wall cabinets were removed. So you've got your floating shelves. In the process of eliminating all those wall cabinets, they did add an additional window over this sink. And then notice how this entire area are pull-out drawers. So, they said we don't want any cabinets, all pull-out drawers in this particular area. So I say all that to say, you can get that detailed. I would say, having these drawers are going to be more compared to your typical cabinet, but if that's something you want to do, it's definitely possible. All right, so off of this kitchen may be the biggest pantry I have ever seen. Okay, so this thing is just breathtaking. Check this out. So much floor space, outlets. I mean, tons of shelving already before they come in here and do their own finishes and whatnot. And then you've got easy access water heater closet there, 50-gallon tank. Just an insane pantry, it really is. Do have two nice pendants here. It's missing the globes, little things like that. This customer actually has their final walkthrough today to touch up little things like that. All right, so off the left is going to be your master bedroom. Now that's a huge part that I've totally forgot to mention. This particular plan has been transformed to have 2 primary suites. So 2 bedrooms with full baths, big walk-in closets, the whole shebang, okay? This is the first of those 2 primary suites. And some of these rooms don't have bulbs in them yet, and it's a very cloudy day outside, so bear with me on the lighting. Our included 2-panel doors, you are seeing the black interior trim package, knobs, hinges, shower heads, water faucets, all gonna be that black color there. Anytime you see a build out like this, that is your return air grill. It'll be marked RAG on our floor plans. I get a lot of questions of people asking what it is. Return air grill, RAG on your floor plans. There's generally 2 of them. You are seeing the 9-foot ceilings today. Not only are you seeing flooring throughout, this customer actually brought in their own flooring. So custom flooring, tall ceilings, solid surface tops throughout every bathroom today, which is also rare. Really cool water spigots in the bathrooms. A lot of custom finishes in today's video. All right, so you got your water closet or toilet room to your right, and then that leads to your standalone tub. Beautiful. And then to my right is our 60-inch shower with ceramic tile. Got your rain head up there, it's still wrapped up. Shampoo box insert there. You actually can do this door or a shower with or without the door. Here you're seeing the glass door. And then again, along with that black trim package, all these fixtures are going to be white or black. And these shower heads are actually on separate diverters, so you can operate one and not the other type thing. So we think about all that for sure. And then tucked behind this bathroom closet is a linen closet. All right, let's keep it moving. We'll cross that main space. I'll show you that coat closet that I skipped. Again, guys, my name is Shields. I'm with Carolina Custom Homes of Burlington. We are your premier custom modular builder here in the Carolinas. We service that central region of North Carolina. If you or you know anyone looking to build their dream home, I'm going to drop down my email right now at the bottom, shields@nccustom.modulars.com. Please get with me. I'd love to help design and build your house. So to the left is your utility closet. So, you know, the original Stanley has a big laundry room and all that. To create the space they did, they just went with a linen or a utility closet instead of the big, you know, walk-in utility room. Up above, you are seeing the fold-out ladder. So I would not call that standard. Standard would just be a scuttle hole that you would climb up a ladder, pop up, crawl in, that type of thing. You can always add the true fold-out ladder, or you can always raise the pitch of the house and actually have a true staircase going up to that second level or unfinished second level. So I do always like to mention that. Any of our plans can have that cape or unfinished second level, whatever you want to call it. And it's just such a good price to do. A lot of people end up doing it. Now, if you're totally against stairs and stuff, I get that. Here is the first of the spare bedrooms. Again, I mean, a really good sized room here. And this isn't even the secondary primary suite per se. It's just a good sized bedroom. Bath 2 is going to be to my right. So this would be a great example of our included framed mirrors. You can do those in white or black at no extra cost. You're going to see some videos from time to time, or a lot model from time to time that has the fancy lighted mirrors. Those are going to be extra, and I have those in white or black as well. So this is, I think on paper, the office room. Does not have a closet to it. It's big enough to be a bedroom. Not sure what they're going to use it as, but we'll call it an office for today. And then at the end of that hallway is that secondary primary suite, okay? So here's your secondary master bedroom. Great sized bedroom, got the big double window, letting all that natural light in. And then over here is going to be that full bath. So when you walk in, to your right is another 60-inch tile shower. A few differences on this one compared to the last. They did add the flip down seat in this one and no rain head up above. A linen closet. Here's your walk-in closet. Toilet and vanity. Drawers on both sides, which provides a lot of countertop space. Very nice. All right. So again, we basically walked a 2400 custom plan today. If you wanted to kind of start with the plans the most similar to this, I guess it would be the Carolina Stanley, just based on the footprint, and the general layout is pretty similar. But it's just a testament to what you can do with our plans. So as you can see, I mean, you can really have fun with it, make it your own. Something else I mentioned, a lot of people are doing this now, but this is a true double-sided island. So you've got real storage on both sides of this just gigantic island. So yeah, if you got any questions, please get with me. Again, my name is Shields. I'm with Carolina Custom Homes of Burlington. I'm gonna drop down my email again right now. Our office number is 336-226-9066. If you call because of this video, please ask to speak with me. Really helps me out. So thank you guys for everything. New videos every Monday and Thursday at 4:30. Take care.